Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you could change the background in Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 has many programs, so I'm going to do a quickly tutorial on these three main ones, which are PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and Excel. PowerPoint is the easiest one, just by going right here. This is like the first slide, as you can see. So what you have to do is to click on it, click right here, click on layout, and here we will find the format background, and simply choose solid color or gradient. It really depends on what you would like to have. You could change them as templates from here, or you could use something that has been already in mind. You could choose a personalized colors just by changing this palette from this area, as you can see right over here. Now let's move on to Microsoft Word. For Microsoft Word, you could be changing the color by either going to layouts and basically you could be using like an object, which is not something very smart. As you could see here, I can cover the whole page with an object and color the object with a color. But this is not something very beneficial. You could go for design and choose colors, as you can see here. But from here, I'm going to choose the page color and I'm going to choose this one, for example. So this is how you can change on Microsoft Word. On the other half, for the Microsoft Excel, it doesn't really have a page, but it has these columns and lines. So you have to do it like that. Just use this tool right here and simply, for example, if I wanted to color a lot of things, I'm going to do this, that, and there we go. We have now a colored thing. So yeah, this is how you can color background. Thank you guys a lot for watching. See you guys in the next video.